Cue the drum roll, because here's a surprising fact to kick things off. Belladonna, a plant also known as deadly nightshade, infamous for its poisonous properties, is in fact one of the most beneficial remedies in the world of homeopathy. Quite a paradox, isn't it? Now, before you raise an eyebrow, here's some real-life experiences. Picture this: Jane, a hard-working mother of two, battled intense migraines for years. The throbbing pain often left her incapacitated. Enter Belladonna, and Jane's migraines are now a thing of the past. She's back to her energetic self, juggling work and family effortlessly. Then there's Robert, a passionate pianist. A sudden onslaught of earaches threatened to disrupt his career. With Belladonna, he found relief. Now the only music to his ears is the melody he creates, unmarred by the cacophony of pain. Belladonna's charms don't stop there. It's a homeopathic superstar in treating fever, infections, sunburns, and even certain types of mental health conditions. The magic lies in its power to soothe inflammation and promote healing. But remember, every superhero has its kryptonite. While Belladonna is a force to reckon with, it's essential to use it correctly. Too much, and you're staring at the face of its poisonous side. It's a delicate balance, a dance between danger and relief. So how do you navigate this dance? Simple. Don't go solo. Always consult with a homeopathic practitioner. They'll guide you through the process, ensuring you reap the benefits of Belladonna without risking its potential hazards. Don't shy away from asking questions. After all, knowledge is power. Consider the story of Alice, a fitness enthusiast who loves her summer runs. The sunburn was a constant spoiler, though. On her homeopath's advice, she started using Belladonna. Today, Alice runs under the sun, her skin glowing with health and vitality. No more sunburn woes for her. Belladonna, the deadly nightshade, a paradox in itself, a plant that can harm and yet, when used right, holds the power to heal. Its tale is a reminder that sometimes the most unexpected places hold the most potent remedies. So, are you ready to discover the healing power of Belladonna? Remember, the first step is always a conversation with a professional. Embrace the journey towards health, one homeopathic remedy at a time.